companies involved.
Sorry, letter of
Authority, Your Honor.
authority.
Letter of authority.
So will be served pa lang. Kailan po isi-serve?
Upon issuance, Your Honor, I understand they were already issued, and every opportunity for the BAR examiners to serve them, they will be served, Your Honor.
So the letter was already issued pero
Yes.
isi-serve pa dun sa 15. Kailan po masi-serve yun?
There were companies that were already issued LOA, Your Honor, and there are still that have not yet been served the letter of authority, and this will be served.
At kailan po sila, within how many days kailangan humarap sila or sumagot sa Bureau?
As soon as they receive the LOA, the BIR will be issuing some notices to them to submit documents for the investigation, and there are procedures for that, Your Honor, later on when the BIR come up with their findings, and they are entitled